So welcome for today's class of English grammar. Today we will discuss about the notice writing, and this is a part 8. And you all can take down the question first. Your school, you all can write down from here. The question is your school. In the bracket, write down the name of the school is given. Vasant Vidyalaya, Siolim is organizing a cultural evening to collect funds for the slum children. So here the name of the school is given in the bracket. Remember this. And here it is about organizing a cultural evening to collect funds for whom? Slum children. Okay. The education minister has consented to be the chief guest on the occasion. Draft a notice about it to be displayed on your school notice board. You are the school head boy or head girl, and the word limit of the notice should be 50 words. So write the name of the school first, that is Vasant Vidyalaya, Siolim. And after that you all have to write the notice, then underline it. And the main topic will be cultural evening. Here it is already given in the question, cultural evening. Okay, this cultural evening here, this part you'll have to write it here, and then start with the proper paragraph. Okay, taking some, here it is given for what it is, so that only you'll have to write it down here. Cultural evening, and then start with this thing. Vasant Vidyalaya is organizing a cultural evening to collect funds for the slum children of Chimbal on 20 March 2021. Here, no year. You'll have to write your present date, month and year. Don't forget that. We have invited noted radio and TV stars, and the Honorable Education Minister has consented to be the chief guest on the occasion. Students are to take their seats by 6 p.m. in the school auditorium. Outsiders and guests are not allowed. So you all can even write it in your own words, something but related to the topic. Okay. Then you all can write down the name. If the name is given here, then you all write the name from here. Suppose if the name is not given here, you all have to write any, you all can write any name. If you are a boy, you will write the boy's name. If you are a girl, you will write girl's name. So Ravi Sawant, and then you will write head boy. If you are a boy, you will write head boy. If you are a girl, you will write head girl. So write the date, today's date, you all have to write today's month, which month you all are there, and the year, which year you are present. If you all are there in 2024, write 2024. If you all are there in 2025, you can write that also. And in the right side, you will write headmaster. Okay, you all can take down this. You all have to first draw the box, and inside that you all can write down. Okay, see there is a box here. I hope you all can see this clearly. Okay, you all can take down this. I hope you all have understood, and thanks for watching. If you all have any doubts, queries, you all can comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Press the bell icon for more updates.